Hi guys, so today is our last day of our porch makeover. For 2 days now we have been painting, a day before that we were shopping, so we want to get this done today. I have a little more painting to do, a lot more cleaning, and we have a brand new addition to our porch that is going to help us out when we're throwing parties and stuff. And that's the reason we wanted to do our porch makeover, to have our friends over. This is going to be a huge addition to our porch party grill area. Here it is. It's the NewAir 160 can outdoor beverage fridge. Check the link in the description box below and use code FoolyLiving.
This is a handle. It's a very big handle.
That is so nice.
We have some loose hardware we're going to use to put it on.
I want to thank NewAir for sending us this outdoor fridge. It is amazing. It holds 160 bottles or cans. Premium stainless steel prevents rust and corrosion. Okay, we're gonna put on 4 casters on the bottom. Now he's just putting the handle on it. Auto closing door with lock keeps your food and drinks cold. This weatherproof fridge comes with 2 door locks, so we won't have any unwanted visitors. Rafael's bringing out the first of our drinks to put in the beverage fridge.
And I like it. It's going to be so fun to drink it.
Okay, let's take a look back at the past 2 days. So this is where we started. A red wall, a green wall, and it took all day for me to paint this black. And on the second day, we painted it tan and white. Classic farmhouse colors. Didn't have it in the budget to paint the floor, but the floor is all right, just needs to be cleaned. I got all the ferns from Walmart. I shopped my mom's house for the rug. I got some of the decor from Goodwill, and some of it I already had.
So I think mopping is going to take a little too long and we don't have a good bucket system, and I offered my services to pressure wash all of this. So the thing about pressure washing this floor here is that paint can be taken off. It's very easy to take it off, and so I'm going to have to use a very low setting on a pressure. Also, I'm going to have to take everything off of the porch and make sure this is all clear and then get to work.
Okay, first piece of furniture that gets moved. Rudy's doghouse. We have to block it up to make sure it's even. The next thing that's getting moved out of here is the deck box. This has all the kids' toys in it. Isn't that right? You want to go see your bed? Go see your bed.
Put a block in there.
Yeah. Oh, I think she really likes it. You like it, Rudy? You like it? Halfway cleared. Okay, this floor is pretty dirty. I don't think it's ever been cleaned, to be very honest with you. It's probably been painted about 5-10 years ago. Hopefully Rudy will sleep through this. It's gonna be really loud.
Spin on that one. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Wait a second.
So unfortunately, we couldn't do the surface cleaning with the pressure washer. However, I did pressure wash it. I got all the cracks and creaks and all that clean. There is much more to be done. I didn't want to damage the brand new paint that we put on the old wood or anything like that. But a lot came out. A lot came off. There was like oily substance coming off of here. I've seen this a lot in my pan when I used to clean it. But this is now sufficiently clean. This was not bleached yet, but I cleaned it off. There's a lot of crud coming off of here. And basically, this is how it looks now. It's very clean, though it might not look very clean at times. It is like the cleanest it can be. This was bleached. It was mopped, basically. But these towels, I can do no more at the moment. So I'd have to see with Andrea what's the next step. I do believe we're going to put the ferns up. She might want to let this go away. As you can tell, I switched the shirt again. The shirt that I kept swapping yesterday and also today for all the dirty jobs that I have to do. So I wore this for painting, and then I was like, oh, wait a minute, I'm painting. So I don't want that to get dirty with paint. And then now I did this. When I started washing, I had the gray shirt on, and then I got so sweaty so quick that I was like, nah. I'm not gonna let you guys see all that. So to conclude, I think it's very humid at the moment, and this is exactly why we're gonna sit a while here, let it dry off. And if it doesn't dry off properly, we might have to dry it ourselves.
So I'm quite happy with how the floor turned out. It is at least clean. It isn't the color that we want, or like, it doesn't look the way we want, but it's good. I like it. Nice and clean, can walk out here, not get our feet dirty. Doing good. So now we're gonna start placing everything where it goes. Okay, we went shopping at my mom's house for a rug, and we got one that pretty much matches the floor and has a little bit of red in it. This wall used to be red, so it's a little reminder of where we came from. It kind of goes with the whole thing, so hopefully it'll be good in here. And that is also for our dog not to chew up, because she has chewed up every single rug that we have put here, but we still need a rug.
You want it this way?
Yeah. Perfect. Okay, we decided to turn it this way. Have a reversible door. No, decided not to. It's gonna be better this way because we're gonna have a table right here to work from. Okay, he's hanging up my really special picture that I don't want to get rid of. Okay, we're gonna clean the table off and move it in its spot. There's my picture right there.
Well,
let's take this fridge for a spin. I'm gonna put the kids' soda in first, and then Hadar can deal with the adult beverages for our friends and family. You got one case for my dad, one case for him, so they can sit out here and talk.
so this is a 160 can fridge.
100 minus 4.
Huh?
100 minus 4.
So this is a real world test to see how many we can actually fit in there.
So So you can slide your drinks out halfway to see what you have in the back. And you can lay them flat or you can lay them up. So it holds all kinds of different bottles or cans. Rafael, you gonna help me put all these pops in? Do you want to put it up here or you want to put it down here?
I think this is too...
So, yeah, but if you put it down here, then you can put it in this way.
Oh, good.
Do you want to do it that way?
Yeah.
But you'll have to put it in all the way over. Alright, here you go. All the way to the left, yeah.
Next one. Yeah. You can push that in now.
Oh, you want to do it that way? Here, you can do it right here.
Oh,
do it
I
right
forgot. I guess it really can hold a lot. This was one whole box.
The fully adjustable shelves let you customize storage space to fit cans and bottles. Alright, it is so quiet and so much more quiet than the other fridge that we had out here before. And look at how many cans. We didn't even buy that many. You can set the temperature. It's got a lock on it. Okay. We have it installed. It's running great. It has lights inside, temperature control. It goes to 32 Celsius. If you want it Fahrenheit, you press both at the same time to tell you the Fahrenheit.
There's a little light as well that tells you it's Fahrenheit.
The adjustable temperature settings from 32 degrees to 50 degrees. Turns the lights off or on. Hey guys, so we do have a little more painting to do, a little more cleaning. I gotta wash the windows, but it's pretty much done right now. And we have like an outdoor living space, like a true living space. And these kids are here, have been sitting on a carpet with us for the last hour and been having fun. You like sitting on the carpet outside?
Yeah.
Yeah. We just been hanging out.
Yes.
So you want one last look at the place?
Yeah.
Since it's been done, what do you think of it?
Good.
Yeah? You gonna like coming out here and hanging out?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. I would just stay out here and get it. But it's going like down and it's going like
Yeah,
down.
you can have birthday parties and stuff here.
But who will get in if the screen is right there and there?
We've been here for almost a year now, and we're really happy to be able to start on our outdoor living spaces. We really love living here. It's very peaceful. We have wonderful neighbors, and it's just a really special place. And it's going to be especially nice to step outside, relax, listen to all the birds and animals outside while drinking a drink from our NewAir fridge.
Walking fast.
So I want to thank NewAir for sponsoring this video. They sent us a brand new fridge, 160 can beverage fridge, outdoor fridge that could be inset under a counter or freestanding. It's amazing. We love it. Thank you very much, NewAir. We hope you really like this makeover. We'll see you guys tomorrow.
Please subscribe to the channel and check out the channel. The other channels. We make videos every day. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.